Scan-To-Bim or reality capture is one of the services rendered by BuildSafe Nigeria Limited. We utilize the latest high-definition 3D scanning technology and our unique workflow to assist our clients in planning and executing projects more efficiently. Scan-To-Bim refers to the use of 3D laser scanners to capture an accurate digital representation of an object, space, or site. The two major outputs of 3D laser scan are point cloud and image data. Point cloud gives the geometric information, while image data provides the photographic details that will make it possible to verify anything on site without going back to site. Scan-To-Bim provides basic data for building information modeling, and it is relevant at every stage of the project lifecycle. At the design stage, Scan-To-Bim will give architects and designers very accurate information of the site for design purposes. Any conflict with existing features will be addressed during design, thereby eliminating future rework. Scan-To-Bim applies extensively at the construction stage. With this solution, fabricators will be able to obtain information about existing features in a brownfield, rather than encountering them during erection. Scan-To-Bim provides reliable data for quality control purposes by relating the actual work executed on site with the BIM model. With this information, any deviation will be corrected early before the project goes too far. Scan-To-Bim can also be used to monitor and report progress of work on site. At the post-construction stage, Scan-To-Bim provides a reliable as-built model for documentation, maintenance, and future modification purposes. For old buildings and monuments that do not have drawings at all, the as-built model can easily be created using Scan-To-Bim method. Scan-To-Bim makes it possible for every stakeholder to be actively involved during asset review. For instance, a company that wants to acquire a property will use Scan-To-Bim output to make informed decisions about the suitability of the project before making any commitment. In the manufacturing sector, it can be used to create a digital model of any object by scanning the object and using appropriate modeling software to produce the model. In power and communication sector, Scan-To-Bim can be used to check the vertical and horizontal alignment of power pylons and communication masts. Also, height clearance checks can be conducted for high-tension cables without shutting down the system. Structural engineers use Scan-To-Bim data extensively in structural investigation. For instance, it will help to determine the amount of deflection or settlement of a structural member. Another interesting area of application is in computation of quantities such as cut and fill, stockpiles, and tank volume. Scan-To-Bim will provide very accurate model of pipes and HVAC installation. Such data is useful for maintenance and modification purposes. In the oil and gas sector, Scan-To-Bim is used for different purposes including tank assessment, pipeline as-built modeling, and retrofitting. It improves the quality and accessibility of existing plant information, allowing all stakeholders to make more accurate and timely decisions. Scan-To-Bim can also be adopted for topographical survey. Using appropriate software, digital terrain models can be created for erosion control design and other land management purposes. Scan-To-Bim data can be used to predict or monitor building collapse. This will help to prevent loss of life and property. Scan-To-Bim can be implemented on any size of project.